Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hard obby. First, focus on creating unique and challenging obstacles that require precise timing and movement. Think about combining different elements like moving platforms and disappearing blocks to increase difficulty. Ensure your hitboxes are accurate, so players feel their success or failure is fair. This foundation is crucial for a truly difficult experience. To elevate your obby, introduce advanced mechanics. Consider adding speed pads that propel players unexpectedly, or anti-gravity zones that alter jump physics. Complex laser grids and rotating hazards demand quick reflexes. You can also design multi-stage puzzles where players must complete a sequence of actions. Even invisible blocks can add a layer of surprise for those who think they've seen it all. Balancing difficulty with player experience is key. While making it hard, ensure there are clear visual cues so players understand the challenge. Consider offering optional checkpoints, allowing a slightly less punishing experience for some. Gradually increase the difficulty as players progress through your obby, rather than having sudden spikes. Thorough testing is essential to catch any overly frustrating or unfair design elements. Finally, refinement and testing are crucial for a successful hard obby. Gather feedback from a diverse group of players to understand different perspectives on difficulty. Observe how players navigate your obby to pinpoint common struggles or areas of confusion. Use this data to adjust obstacle placement and timing. Iterating on your designs will help improve the overall flow and ensure the challenge feels rewarding, not just frustrating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.